Hello, welcome guys. A very good section on Postman for API testing. It's a beginner friendly guide to mastering API requests and responses. And it's me, Sanjay Stephen. So go for the session. The agenda of this section is what is the API, why API testing is important, what is Postman, and Postman features overview and basic workflow in Postman. And what is an API? An API, application programming interface, allows communication between different software applications. A real world example, e-commerce website connect to a payment gateway API and confirm payment. Here payment gateway is a API. We are paying amount to e-commerce using this payment gateway API. And the API is a bridge between client and server. Okay. And next is why API testing is important. It validates the business logic before the UA, otherwise UA interface, user interface is ready. And it's faster than UA testing, ensure data accuracy and performance, and helps in modern techniques in software testing, that is shift left testing in DevOps CI/CD. Okay. And the different types of API testing are functional, performance, security, and finally load testing. And what is a Postman? Postman is a popular API client that helps developers, testers to test, debug, and documents APIs. And the key features of Postman: send REST, SOAP, and GraphQL requests, and inspect response and headers, create and run test scripts, and automation with Postman collections. This is the overview of a Postman. Here you can see header part and sidebar and a builder and a status bar. Okay, then the basic workflow of a Postman is here, that is create a new request, that may be method get, post, put, or delete, enter the URL and method, select the method, add parameters, headers or body if it is available, then send the request and view the response and status code, and add test and save in collection. Okay, then I will demonstrate over the Postman. Just give an overview. You can either, it can installed as a desktop application or a web application like this. Both are available for the Postman client. And here you can see it is the header and it is the sidebar and is the builder. We will work here. This is the workspace window, and downside or bottom you can see a status. So totally four sections, and I will just create a collection here, and I will run a simple get request. Okay, so for that you can see a create collection and click on blank collection. It will create a new collection. You can give a name. I'm giving a test API. Test APIs. I'm giving a collection name. It's a container like a folder, and I will creating a new request. Add request. So click on three dots and add request. So it's creating a new request under the collection test APIs. You can give some name. So get sample API. Giving a name here, and I am giving a URL here, already taken a RESTful API URL and paste here, and it's already a get request. You can choose based on your API, get or post, put, delete. It's a get and send the request. So you can get the response in 200 response code, and you get the response from the server. You can change the view, either this view or By clicking here on downside to pan view, click here, it will change to pan view. Okay, so when click on once more, it will back to normal view. Okay, so this is all about in this section. And also here is a this is a URL for the resource of Postman. Just Google this Postman, you can see the Postman details, and you can download the URLs. So you download the desktop application from there. So I will demonstrate in next video how to install and the Postman in detail in next video. And this I will give a overview on Postman, how it's look like. So hope you enjoyed this section. Thank you for watching. We can see another section. Till then, bye. Thank you.